what your mama used to have back in the day, that if you knock, only you can hear it outside. They can't hear
Old doors.
Folks
Heavy
as
as a
a
bitch.
bitch. She trying to avoid prostitution.
Quan outside, boy. It's alright though. We gonna get us a full video one of these goddamn days with a test ride. Don't worry, bro. He gonna show y'all this bitch still slide. We outside though.
He said he quit smoking, but he asked me for a cigarette.
He quit smoking?
How you feel about that?
I got my
He can't get in the cigarette.
Man, the pepper shit I can't.
He can't get no cigarette. You said you stopped.
He
Hell.
told me he stopped.
It's going crazy though. You gotta take us to the whip. Hold on, let me get Damo this guy. This over here going crazy. She didn't want to got a motherfucking old school. Not just no any old school. She went the tic-tac-toe and got an old school, man. So you know you split your bag. Bill, what you do, man? Bill came through with the 60s fruities with the Benz caps, big Benz caps. You hint. 66s around this motherfucker, man. Came through, man. Got this bitch sitting right. 24-inch Ruchis on these motherfuckers, big caps. Oldsmobile. Cutlass Supreme. She ain't fucking around. This motherfucker said it's so right. Everything original. She said she gonna keep it original. She don't want nothing touched. She don't want nothing cut or none of that. She even got the radio. The original radio. Shout out to Ken for that right there, for her radio, the box. So she can keep her dash original with the big cap steering wheel. Yes, sir. If y'all don't know, if you didn't know too, the box Chevy's going to Ken. Y'all look forward for this video Tuesday night. I'm going up here to Ken's workshop and it's going to fuck down, man. He about to redo the trunk on the box Chevy. I got 415s in there. I ain't put no video up showing y'all what was in the trunk yet. I'm gonna upload that while we building this new box. Big fin on 6s, man. Living Legend Ty wet the fuck out this fin, man. Yes, sir. 26s Ruchis. Lifted by Repo. Shout out to Chevy Cutlass, man. Chevy Cutlass come through it every time a nigga put something together. That's that track hawk, boy. That track hawk was whistling, made the dog bark. That track hawk whistling made the dog bark, boy. Yes, sir.
Shit off that motherfucker.
You got that shit out here, man. If I get through
Cooking and shit, I might slide back.
Oh, they fucking them out tonight.
All out? Playing them out? Oh, did it burn this big motherfucker out?
Yes, sir. We got the lane smacking. Put it down. Alright, T-Bass. Down here they got this motherfucker dumping. They got the old schools lined the fuck up, boy. Yes, sir. Return of the goddamn lane, man. We ain't been down here in a long time. We've been down up there at the beauty supply store for the past 2 months. And they've been complaining like a motherfucker because we've been up there burning out, fucking up their parking lot and shit. So the last time we were just up there, the police came up there and told us that the owner didn't want us up there. You ain't gotta tell us. You ain't gotta tell me more than one time. You ain't gotta tell me more than once. I'm on that. We came right back down to the hood where we always at. What up, y'all? Sugar man, what you do, man? What up, man?
What's good, good?
Sugar Hill. We came right back down. We came right back down here to the spot where it all started at. Got that shit. What you do, man?
No, bro. Go home, bro. That don't sound right.
Yeah. What you do, bro? Got this bitch jumping, man. Car's way the fuck down here. This is about the furthest we done came, man. Yes, sir. This shit looks so freaky. That looks freaky. You have to be seen that to put that together on what? What y'all need? Woo! He said new school versus old school. He says that old school versus new school. Oh my God. Oh my God. He said, why that old school just do that new school like that? Look at that. Box looks so motherfucking good, boy. This box looks so fucking good. Oh my God. Clean as a bitch. Yes, sir. Not fucking around, man. Repo out here, man. This whips everywhere. What up, man? Shit. We got the lane smacking, boy. We almost at Keith. One of these days. One of these days. One of these days.
Your mama used to have back in the day that if you knock on it, you can hear it outside. They can't hear it.
Old folks heavy as a bitch.
She trying to oil prostitution.
This is what happened when a whole bunch of ballers get together. You can bring that cheap shit. Man, the lane smacking so goddamn hard, we damn near on Keith with it. Yes, sir. Jumping hard, man.
She a good girl, her daddy got some cheddar. Booty so fat, I don't know what they fat her. I was broke as shit back then when I met her. Yeah, now I got a little baby. It's so crazy, I have to make her sign away from her. They got shit to say, man.
Got Ken out here doing his thing, boy. Man, the lane smacking, man. We on Vienna right now. Y'all know the lane is start on Richards and Capitol. We on motherfucking Vienna right now. Still walking past cars, man. And they everywhere around this motherfucker, man. This motherfucker jumping. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Bro, this Camaro is so crazy.
They got this motherfucker rocking, boy. Yeah, man. How you ride, man. That's how you do it, man. Come through on Glaze, man. That's how you supposed to do it, man. Dave ain't fucking around with that orange, man. What you do, man?
What it do, ball?
Yeah, you got. I see you got a light on your
Man,
chest.
you know what I'm saying, man? Something different, man.
Got this bitch rocking,
How you feeling,
man.
You got this motherfucker cracking, dog. I ain't even gonna tell.
I'm on my video saying they got this motherfucker rocking, man. The city do this.
Man, this motherfucker going
The city do this, man. The city do this.
I'm in trouble at home right now. But
They
I
trying to
told
make
my
a
girl
turn.
I'm going to check bro out before I motherfucking pull in that driveway.
Yes,
That's what
sir.
I'm doing. You might see me on your channel.
Ah,
So I ain't lying, baby. I'm really here.
she been subscribed.
I'm really here.
What you do, nigga? What you stupid?
Believe me,
Bill
baby.
said, man, I'm really here. When I be saying I'm at the car meet at nighttime.
Tell them to flip the camera around so I don't be doing that. What is it called? What is that called? That AI shit with the other voice? I ain't AI and shit. I'm really here with Hood, baby.
You really here, baby.
I'm really here with Hood. You see that?
Dog said, sis, he really here.
We even bought an 18-wheeler out this motherfucker.
Yeah, this bitch smacking. This bitch smacking. No denying that.
You be having your shit, boy.
Got Box Chevy with the gold Ruchi.